this is my day 3 hair, so it's got a lot of texture, it's got a lot of dry shampoo in here. If you need more texture, you can always add texture spray. But what I do to just give it a little bit more bounce is I start with curling it and making some beachy waves with my Vibrastrait Pro. It vibrates, which I think is pretty cool when you close it. So it actually smooths your hair out as you're curling it, which is awesome, but it also adds that texture, which is even more perfect. So I have divided it up in sections. The great part about curling this is you don't have to get every single piece. You want it to look messy. So now that we have everything loosely curled, I like how it's straighter when I do it with a straightener. It's straightener on top and then the curls on the bottom are just a little bit messier. So now we're going to tease it. So this is my favorite part because this part adds the most volume. So you're gonna lightly back comb it, which is just going like this. And it doesn't hurt, it doesn't mess up your hair, I promise. So it's gonna look like that, and then you're just gonna comb over the top. I'm using this kind of brush. See how that just adds so much more volume on that side? We're gonna do the same thing on this side. And just lightly pull down pieces. Okay, so it's gonna look crazy, but the most important part, so we got the 2 sides, we wanna get the back now. So we're just going to take this little section here, and it's gonna be all knotted. That's normal. And now we're going to comb it to the back like this. Just until there's no hair that you're holding in your hand in the back, and see how much volume that gives the back. I look like a troll right now, but I promise this is gonna look good. Okay, so teasing it like this actually gets rid of a bit of the curl, but the only thing that matters is that we have that bouncy part at the bottom, because having a full curl does not matter at all. So here's the important part. You need a clear elastic, and you're just going to flip your head over and bunch it all together, and your hair is going to feel thicker than ever, but just get it in a ponytail. So even the front pieces, you're just going to scoop everything together. It doesn't have to be perfect. So now that it's together, pull out those front pieces that you have. Don't tie it yet. Alright, now you're going to tie it at the height that you want it. It doesn't have to be high. Doesn't matter how you tie it either, because it's gonna be messy anyway. So you're gonna squeeze or pull both sides of the hair like that, and then you're slowly just going to start pulling out pieces. Okay, so I actually lowered mine a tad bit so I could show you guys something. So you're gonna push the bottom of the ponytail up just so it creates a little bit more volume up top and looseness up top and at the bottom. And then you're gonna split your ponytail, pull it so it goes just a tad bit higher, and that's gonna leave you with unevenness across here, but you want that. So start pulling random pieces out. Make sure your front pieces are out, and once you get that up there, you can back comb the ponytail again. So again, it only matters that you have curls at the bottom because this is a messy ponytail. And that's that.